Welcome back guys to the channel. Today I'm gonna try to install the splitter. I have done a test fitting right now. I can show you. It looks promising. I have not figured out how I actually gonna fit it because the front lip is not flat under, like I said in the previous video. So I'm gonna take some time and figure out how, but I know now it's gonna look great when I actually figure out how to do this. So see you in the time lapse and in the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So guys, I think I figure out how I'm gonna fit this. You see these bricks here? This gonna support my screws. So I'm gonna screw it in my front lip, and this will help me so I don't need to use really long screws because that's gonna be unstable. So I'm gonna screw it in this, and that will hopefully work. And here I'm gonna have some double side tape and small screw because there's a small room here between. I think that will work. I hope. Yeah, so let's see if this works. So the support bricks on place with 3 screws, and I have stuck some double tape too around the whole front lip. So I really hope this works. I don't know what I'm gonna do if this not work. So let's see if this works. So it actually worked so far, and it looks perfect. This looks surprising good actually, because this is actually 100% homemade and wrapped in carbon fiber. So I am surprisingly happy with the results. I need 3 screws in the back too. For now I just have 4 in the front. Let's see if I can show you guys. If I can find them. Here is one. It looks like that. So yeah, I need to have something back here so it not flex too much. But so far so good. So I hope you like it. Back to the time lapse. I don't know how much you see, but do you see this brick here? I didn't find anything else, but it actually works. I'm probably gonna change to plastic brick later, but for now I will leave it like this. I also put one screw here in the middle, and it feels stable, so I hope this will come off. It looks great. So I'm probably done now, but in the future we need to figure out how we're gonna do some plastics bricks behind it, so it's actually 100% perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna lower the car and we're gonna see how it looks like. So I'm done, and it looks great. I'm gonna show you. I'm actually surprised over how good I did this, because like I said before, I did this splitter by my own, and when I did it I didn't think it looks so good. It looked good on camera but not in real life, but oh my god, this turned out to be surprisingly good. Look at this, guys. It looks amazing. I'm so glad that I did this. And it was almost free. I only paid for the vinyl wrap. I did the splitter on my work is actually made in plexiglass, not plastic, so it's very hard material, so I think this will be extremely good. So if I scrape it, it will last for very long. Yeah, that's everything for today. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you in the next video.